So oftentimes when processing PDF files, you may want to go ahead into multiple steps. If you want to go ahead and then automate those multiple steps, then you can utilize something called create a workflow right here. So now if I were to go ahead and click right here, you can see that create new workflow is an option, and you can go ahead and give the workflow a name as well. So over here, you can go for the available tools. So there's different available tools as you can see right here. So let's say now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select image to PDF right here. The page orientation is going to be landscape and merge all images into one PDF file. Let's add in that step right here, just like this. So now I'm going to go around over here and let's say, for example, go for, I'm going to add in image to PDF. So now whatever image I actually upload right here, they will get converted into PDF file. So I'm just going to say image to Word right here, just like this. So now the other step that I want to do now is turn that PDF file into Word again and add in this step. So what happens is that you can see that the images will be converted to PDF and that will be converted to Word. So it'll be image to Word right here. So you have your own workflow this way. So if you were to go ahead and click on create workflow right here, what happens is that this workflow is created. So now over here, what you can do is you can access out this workflow from your profile right here. So you do need to be signed in, and over here under workflows, you will be able to see this out, and you can go ahead and enable or disable it out as you like. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that this is what you have. So if I were to go to the home page right here, you can see that image to Word is an option. So I created a workflow and it pops up right here as you can see. So I can simply click right here now and then go for select file right here. So first of all, I need to select out image right here. So I'm just going to go around over here onto my folder. I'm going to select out, let's say, for example, this image right here, just like this. So now image to PDF is here, as you can see right here. So if I were to click on continue right here, just like this, it processes out. The workflow has been successful, and now it's giving me a Word file, as you can see right here. So whatever image I gave right here, it converted it out to PDF and is giving me out right here in Microsoft Word file right here, just like this. And that is basically how you can go ahead and automate out multiple steps by utilizing out workflows in ILovePDF. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.